nice to me? Are you going to be nice to me? This is what happens now, my friend. My darling wasn't nice to me. Are you going to be nice to me?
Now, I had that banner made for the girls, the grandbabies, because I used to give a Halloween party for the kids every year. And it says, beware of the walkers this Halloween. And their names is at the bottom. Leilani, Nailah, and Harmony. I didn't show you guys that. And that's been hanging up there for like a good 3 years because I don't want it to rip. So I just keep it up there. And, okay. And then I got to show you, I had the It clown. It was on my bedroom door. And then I had this other clown. A lot of things I didn't put out this year, guys, because stuff is upstairs in the closets and I didn't want to be bothered with it. But let me show you the door when you walk in, the mat on the floor. This is the mat when you're coming up the stairs to go into the house. You step on it and it. Okay, Lele is putting, she have 2 sticks of butter.
Guys, I put the egg in myself.
She cracked the egg herself. She's so excited. She put 1 egg in it, and we had a cup and a quarter of sugar. So now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Hold on, guys. So we got my beautiful granddaughter, Leilani, mixing that cookie together. Go on, Lele. She added everything together, the flour, the sugar, the baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, eggs.
Well, I didn't do it alone.
Well, you're doing a great job, honey.
I still can't believe I cracked an egg. She
cracked the egg for the first time in an ingredient. I'm so happy. Look at me, Lay. I love you so much.
I love you too.
So Lay cracked the egg for the first time to put into a recipe. We have the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, baking soda, the vanilla extract. We have butter, and I did say egg, right, Lay?
I didn't do it alone.
Well, you did a great job, sweetie. What'd you say, Nailah?
This is so fun.
Oh, because let's see Nailah's. Oh,
yeah,
now what's yours called, Nailah?
It calls a ghost gummy eyeball.
Ghost gummy, and that's what that look like, isn't it? Ghost gummy eye. Girl, you are the bomb. And what are you making over there, Miss Leilani?
A dog.
Leilani is very artistic.
And me too.
All right. We'll be right back, guys. We still got a lot of cookies. You are very artistic. So we have the mean emoji cookies right here. Then over here we couldn't make out whether these were either bats or fangs. So I turned them into angry bats. I knew you was missing. You don't belong over there. You belong over here. This over here. Let me get out the shadow.
I'm not going to do a mouth anymore.
That's supposed to be Herman and Monster, believe it or not. Then over here we have some ghosts.
It looks good.
And we have some skulls. And all the cookies are on, what's that, Day of the Dead plates. Got those from the Dollar Tree.
Wow, Lay.
Let me see, Lay. Hold up. Let me see. Oh, my goodness. Look at Lay doll. Oh, my. Lay, do your thing. And Nailah's supposed to be making a...
ghost from the eyeball.
You supposed to be making a skeleton, remember?
No.
I was in charge of school.
Okay.
A gummy eyeball goes with gel.
These are the Halloween cookies for the collaboration that I'm doing. We have the circular ones. Then we have like a little blossom one over there. We tried to make this out of what I said this one was, Sakia, Frankenstein. Thank you. And that's the guys, you know, I don't know, the three together. I forgot their name. Then I didn't know whether these, I have cookie cutters, you know, I buy them for the different seasons. So I picked up the Halloween ones. And I think these are either fangs or they are bats. So we turned them into bats. Then we have the mean emoji or the mummy face. Then we have some regular sugar cookies here. Leilani made a pumpkin, if you guys can see that. And she just loved different colors, different techniques. So that's the stem to the pumpkin there. Then she have different colors. We put sprinkles on it. Over here we have the skulls. We have ghosts. And that is it, guys. That is our Halloween cookies and my collaboration with these beautiful ladies. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out the other participants' videos. We are all family. They're over in the UK. Some of us are over here in the States. We are going to, I just can't wait to see what everybody else is doing. Thank you guys for joining us. This is your girl, Ms. Debs, coming to you from Debra's Delicious Dishes Kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey. And are you...
And guys, I'm washing the dishes.
Are you excited, guys? And Nailah is over there closing it out, washing the dishes. Say bye, Nailah.
Bye.
Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. It's the best day ever. Happy Halloween, and I love you, everybody. Bye. And it's the best day.